So here's the washing machine. Don't mind the magnets, the boys like that. So I plugged it in over there. Plugs in the back. And then I just got a little Velcro thing for like the computer and put these two together. You don't have to do that. But it comes with this nozzle, and it should just go onto your faucet. If not, you might have to unscrew the little nozzle on your faucet for this to fit. I'm not sure. It's been so long. Just everything's so easy now. So you push the white down. You push it onto that, and then put the top so it's stuck. You need to make sure it's locked, otherwise water's going to squirt everywhere. And then the other side, you twist it onto the top of this to get water into the washing machine. You twist it really, really tight. And then you put this into the drain. Make sure it's secure, otherwise the pressure from the water will push it out of the drain. And that's it. That's the setup. So put the nozzle on your faucet, push the white part down, connect it to your faucet nozzle, and then push the white back up and make sure it's on there good. Secure it to the washing machine. Put your drain pipe in the sink, and you are ready to go. So that is video 1, how to set up the washer.